In math concepts, our today's topic is angles and its types. So let's start. Starting from right angle, any angle that is equal to 90 degree is called a right angle. And when we draw this right angle with the help of a protractor, it gives us a shape of an L of English alphabet. So this is the shape of right angle and it is always of 90 degree. Now talking about acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. So any angle which is less than 90 degree will call an acute angle, and obviously it will give a look like this. Uh, like 90 is here, so any angle less than this one, like this, over here, any value like 20, 30, 40, 45, 80, 85, these all are acute angles because their value is less than 90 degree. Third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle which is greater than 90 degree. So any angle whose value is greater than 90 degree will be called obtuse angle, and it is like 100, 110, and the value will goes up to less than 180 degree. Its value is not more than 180 degree because there is a separate name for that angle whose value is greater than 180 degree. So any value which is greater than 90 and less than 180 is called an obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is an angle whose value is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And how it looks like? Obviously 90 degree is over here, right? So its value is greater than 90, so it will be like, it looks like this. So anything greater than 90 and less than 180 is the obtuse angle. On a straight line, if we move from right side or from left side, we always start from 0 and goes up to 90 and then goes up to 180 degree. Here we have 0 and here we have 180, or it can be otherwise also, like 0 from here and 180 over here. So any angle that starts from 0 and goes up to 180, this whole half circle or semicircle is called a straight angle because it shows a straight line, and the total angle on a straight line is of 180 degree. Like if I draw another line and it starts from 0 from here, and again it will goes up to 180 degrees, either from the left side or from right side. In both sides it will be of 180 degrees. So any angle which is equal to 180 degree is called a straight angle. So we talked about a straight angle which has a value of 180 degree. What if the angle is greater than 180 degree? So if the angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, then it is called a reflex angle. And how does it look like? Let's say I have an angle of 45 degree. Obviously it's not a reflex angle, but I can calculate the reflex angle. How? That I know that there is a total angle of 360 degree. So I will just calculate this angle, this one. And how to calculate this? Just subtract this 45 degree from 360 degrees, the total of 360 degrees, and we will subtract this 45 from 360 and you will get 315 degrees. So this angle, the outside, is of 315 degrees, and this is obviously greater than 180. So any angle which is greater than 180 and less than 360 is called a reflex angle. And lastly, full or complete angle, the angle which is equal to 360 degrees is called a full or complete angle. And it looks like a circle because its value we start from 0, then we goes up to 90, then we goes up to 180 over here, and then 270 over here, and lastly when we end up over here its value is 360. Or in other words, if you just draw a straight line and you know that the total angle on a straight line is of 180 degree, if we have one more 180 degree over here, then 180 plus 180 will give us a 360. So this is a complete turn or a full angle or a complete angle. So this angle is called a full angle or a complete angle, and its value is 360 degrees. So in this video we have discussed 6 different angles, starting from right angle which is of 90 degree, then acute angle which is less than 90 degree, then obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degrees, a straight angle which is equal to 180 degrees, a reflex angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, and a full angle which is equal to 360 degrees. Any problem in this topic you can ask me in the comment section. Until next video, goodbye.